Now that you are thorough with the conjugation in the present tense, we are going to learn a new tense today. It is the passé composé. So passé composé is past tense. On utiliser, one utilizes le passé composé, the past tense, pour indiquer, to indicate une action passée, that one action has passed. So we use passé composé to indicate that a particular action has already been done, that is the past tense. So on one form le passé composé avec, so we have two rules for passé composé. So we either use avoir. So when I say avoir, it is avoir, the conjugation, plus participe passé, du verb, the past participle of that particular verb. So to form the passé composé, we take the verb, we form its past participle. I will show you how to form the past participle. We write the avoir conjugation for that subject. So avoir plus past participle of the verb. So this is in most of the cases. In some cases, we need to write the conjugation of être plus the past participle. So which are the cases in which we need to use être? Some examples are for the verbs aller, venir, partir, sortir, etc. So these, if you notice, are the verbs indicating motion. So aller is to go, venir is to come, partir is to leave. So these are verbs of motion. So before these verbs, if we need to make the passé composé of these verbs, we use être plus the past participle of these verbs. For other verbs, it is avoir plus past participle. So now you know the rules for passé composé. So why do we use passé composé? To indicate that the action has already passed. It is done. The two rules are avoir plus the past participle of that verb, and for some cases, that is for verbs of motion like aller, venir, partir, we use être plus the past participle. The conjugation of être plus the past participle of those verbs. Now I shall show you how to form the past participle of some common verbs. So now participe passé, the past particle. So for the ER verbs, we are going to see how to write the past participle. So now aimer. For the ER verb, the past participle is formed by removing ER and adding E with an accent. So this is how you form the past participle of an ER verb. So now it is the same for all the ER verbs. So do it along with me. For préférer, remove ER and replace it with E and an acute accent. Next, habiter. Remove ER and add E accent. So, you know how to form the past participle of these ER verbs. Remove ER and add E with an acute accent. So now the next, travailler. Aller, entrer, So this is how we write the past participle of these ER verbs. Now for the verb avoir. So this is a special form. So EU, the past participle is EU. So you just have to remember this. For the ER verbs, of course, it is simple. Remove ER and add E with an acute accent. Now, this here is very important. So if you do not add this, it just becomes the normal conjugated form. So to show that it is in the past participle, we add this accent. So for the ER verbs, all the ER verbs, it's the same. We add E acute accent in place of ER. And I told you to remember for avoir, the past participle is EU. So now you know to write the past participle for ER verbs. I will show you how to write it for the other verbs as well. Now we will see how to form the past participle of the other verbs. Verbs ending in OIR. For example, savoir, voir and vouloir. For savoir, the past participle is SU, su. For voir, the past participle is view. And for vouloir, the past participle is voulu. So this is how we write the past participle of verbs ending in OIR. So for savoir, it is SU. For voir, it is VU. For vouloir, it is voulu. Now moving on to the next category, verbs ending in ENDRE. So the verbs are comprendre, apprendre and prendre. So for comprendre, it is compris. So we remove ENDRE and add IS, compris. So similarly for apprendre, it is appris. And finally for prendre, it is pris. So this is how we form the past participle for verbs ending in OIR and ENDRE. For savoir, it is SU, su. For voir, it is view. For vouloir, it is voulu. For comprendre, compris. Apprendre, appris. Prendre, pris. Now we are going to see how to write the past participle for verbs ending in IR. Now finally, the past participle for verbs ending in IR. So the first verb, partir. For partir, the past participle is parti. For dormir, it is dormi. For venir, it is slightly different. It is venue. For venir, it is venue. For ouvrir, it is ouverte. Ouverte. Similarly, for découvrir, it is découverte. So this is how we write the past participle for the verbs ending in IR. For partir, it is parti. Dormir, it is dormi. Venir, venu. Ouvrir, ouverte. Découvrir, découverte. So this is how we write the past participle. Now that we know how to write the past participle for most of the verbs, we can try solving some exercises. So you know the rules. Avoir plus the past participle or être plus the past participle. And where do we use être? When the verb is a verb of motion like partir, etc. So these are the rules for writing passé composé. So now let us try some exercises.